Hello guys, we are here at Bokchigo and we are looking for a spot para makapag-set up sa unboxing. And we found this spot together with my wife. Magsi-set up muna ako. Syempre, I wanna do this with her. Bago ang lahat, picturean ko muna para sa thumbnail. So here we are. This is the Samsung S25 Ultra together with the Watch 7 na freebie. Check ko muna kung tama ba yung na-receive ko na item. Kung 512 gig ba talaga. So yun, tama. So let's go. Tanggalin na natin yung seal from the top and then yung sa baba. Kita nyo naman yung excitement ko guys. Wow! This is the titanium jet black. Ito yung pinili kong kulay para somehow contrast siya sa iPhone 16 ko. And also, this is the color that my wife recommended. So ito siya guys, it feels boxy but very handy. Pinahawakan ko nga sa asawa ko, sabi niya sa kanya ba daw. But I know she doesn't like big phones. So ito siya guys, ito yung titanium jet black and this is the S Pen. I was shocked guys kasi iba yung kulay ng S Pen. I think they have a universal color para sa S Pen kasi nakita ko sa shop app nila, they are selling a separate item para sa S Pen as an accessory. But anyways guys, let's go back to the phone. I've noticed na fingerprint magnet siya. I don't know if this is only for this color. Ito naman yung edges niya, hindi na siya curve, flat na yung screen and it feels good to hold. Pero it doesn't matter kasi lalagyan naman natin yan ng case for protection. So eto na, we're good to go and let's reveal the screen. And let's see kung totoo ba yung anti-reflective screen na sinasabi nila. Medyo kinabahan ako kasi ang tagal mag-on. Buti na lang gumana. Akala ko epic fail itong unboxing na to. So kayo na ang humusga kung anti-reflection ba talaga yung screen ng S25 Ultra. For me, it's not, but I don't care. For me, glass is glass and importante gumagana yung phone. And now, let's move to the watch kasi matagal pa yung pag-setup nito. This is the Galaxy Watch 7. This is a freebie. Wala akong binayaran. It is going to be my first time to have and to use this kind of watch. Good thing I got the green color kasi it's very manly. And by the way, this is the 40mm size. And somehow I like it kasi it fits my small wrist. Hindi siya masyadong flashy and I can sleep wearing it since one of its features is to monitor your sleep. Okay, that's it. Let's wrap it up. That's all for the unboxing. But before we go, we cannot use our phone without a protective case. That's why I got this iBlazon protective case. This is the same case that I am using with my iPhone. It has a protective cover for the camera, and I think it is the best case for me. It is a 2-parts case, and together with it is a built-in screen protector with a fingerprint scanner. Before installing it, we need to clean the phone, especially the screen. Medyo nahirapan ako sa pagkabit kasi medyo snug fit siya. But it's all good kasi maganda yung kapit niya. So let's put the second part. One thing I really like about this case is yung built-in screen protector niya. The best thing about this phone case is itong camera cover niya. It protects the camera, especially when I am on site doing some rough things. And also for the S Pen, it's very accessible guys. I really thought that it would be hard for me to get the S Pen. As you can see, ang dali niyang hugutin, walang kahirap-hirap, anytime you can use your S Pen. It's really a good buy. So that's it guys, thank you. As you can see, my wife is happy for me, may pakis pa.